Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to restore the Quick Access toolbar to default in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to modify. Once everything has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin making the changes. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. Look for the File tab in the menu bar and click on it. This will open up the main File menu, which gives you access to various account settings and configuration options within Outlook. Once the File menu opens, scroll down and look at the bottom section of this menu. You'll see an option labeled Outlook Options. Go ahead and click on it to open the Outlook Options window. This is the central hub for customizing how Outlook works and looks, so it's where we'll find the settings for the Quick Access toolbar. After the Outlook Options window appears, look at the left side of the window where you'll see several different settings tabs. Each tab controls a different aspect of Outlook's functionality. Click on the Quick Access Toolbar tab to access the specific settings we need. This tab lets you customize which commands appear in your Quick Access toolbar or restore it to its original default state. Within the Quick Access toolbar settings, look for the Reset button. You'll find it located next to the Customization section. This Reset button is specifically designed to restore the Quick Access toolbar back to its default configuration, removing any custom commands you may have added and bringing back the original setup that came with Outlook. Simply click on this Reset button to restore everything to default. After clicking the Reset button, the toolbar will immediately revert to its original state. To save these changes and apply them to your Outlook interface, click on the OK button at the bottom of the Outlook Options window. This confirms your changes and closes the settings window, bringing you back to your main Outlook interface with the Quick Access toolbar now restored to default. And that's it. You've successfully restored your Quick Access toolbar to its default settings in Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.